Want to know how to document Java 17 code using Javadoc? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. Where if you want to generate official style documentation for your Java code, I got you. Use a code something like this. So now here you can see a proper procedure and how to do it as well with these comments right here. You can just simply copy up and modify this code further. So just simply type in this comment icon right here, which is the slash and double asterisk before your class or method. Then describe it. You can use tags like @param, @return and more. Then run javadoc hello.java or any file name .java in your terminal to generate the docs. If you want to know how to run and execute your file on terminal, we have also created a video on it, so make sure to watch it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.